If you're seeing the message, "Sorry, we could not find your account," on X or Twitter, don't worry. In most cases, this is a simple login issue and not a permanent problem with your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back into your profile as quickly as possible. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting videos. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is double check your username. This sounds basic, but it's one of the most common reasons this error happens. When you're entering your login details, make sure you type your username exactly as it appears on X. Check the spelling carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces, missing letters, or incorrect characters. Also, do not include the @ symbol when typing your username into the login field, so if your handle is something like example user, enter only example user, not @example user. That small mistake can trigger the account not found error. If you've confirmed the username is correct and you're still getting the same message, the next step is to clear your browser's cookies and cache. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with the X login page. To do this, open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cookies and cached files for or Twitter. After that, close your browser completely and try signing in again. If you don't want to clear everything right away, there's another quick test you can try. Open an Incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox or Edge, then go to Share and try logging in from there. This helps you bypass old saved-in data and forces the site to load fresh. In many cases, if the problem is caused by browser data, the login will work normally in incognito or private mode. If it works in a private window, that usually means the issue is related to your browser cache, cookies, or an extension interfering with the login page. You can then go back and clear the saved data more thoroughly or disable extensions one by one if needed. One more thing to keep in mind is that this error can also happen if you are accidentally trying to log in with the wrong account details. So if you have multiple email addresses or usernames, take a moment to verify that you're using the one actually connected to your X account. It's always worth checking before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. So to quickly recap, first enter your username exactly as it appears on X without the @ symbol. Then clear your browser cookies and cache, or test the login in an incognito or private window. Those two steps fix this issue for many users right away. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful fixes, tips, and tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.